It's
So,
really nice.
so what advice would you have for people preparing? Let's say they've got the internship. What advice would you have for them preparing for it?
I would say read a lot about global affairs. Just keep up with the
Mm,
news because
mm,
at the end of the day, whatever happens in the news will somehow affect what you're
mm,
working on in investment banking. I would say make sure you ask questions and ask people when you're stuck because that's definitely what I didn't do enough,
mm.
especially at the beginning.
Yeah.
I think I didn't want to bug people. I kind of
Mm,
thought that, oh, I don't want to bug people and I kind of want to find this out on myself.
mm,
Everyone will be so impressed. But actually, it kind of takes a bigger person to be like, I don't know this. I'm going to come and ask someone a bit more
mm,
senior than me and they're going to help me out
mm.
as they wanted to because everyone wanted to help you.
Yeah.
So definitely do that. And also, any bit of feedback you have, work on
Mm,
it.
mm,
Don't let it get you down. Just kind of rise above it. Be like, it's annoying that this work's come back and it's not
mm,
amazing.
mm.
But you know what? Next time it will be. I think that's kind of the mindset that you need to get into for sure.
Yeah, it's hard, particularly when it's your first job, right? Because a lot
Yeah,
of people haven't worked before, so they're not used to kind of getting direct feedback.
yeah.
it's kind of humiliating
No, it
sometimes
definitely,
when you get it. It's
definitely.
like, oh my gosh, everything's not perfect. It's
Yeah,
terrible.
no, I remember I was like the first one to do this weekly thing we had to do, and we were kind of rotating through the interns on our floor who would do it.
Mm,
And I was doing it the first week, and I sent it in, and I was like, "Oh, done that! Like that's all good. Got it back. Got it back. Got it back. Got it back for like the sixth time." And I was sat
yeah.
there at my desk, like, "What have I done wrong? Like, how is it this bad?" But actually, like, how are you meant to know how to
Mm,
format it?
mm,
How to do it, what standard they expect. Because
yeah.
for most people, especially kind of even from a uni background, like I've never had to make a PowerPoint that has been kind of so precise to a specific
Mm,
format and so kind of like all the words have to be kind of phrased in a certain way and
mm,
things like that. It's a very different type of work that you have to create. um but it was really nice that by the time I got around to doing it again, because we ended up all doing it twice, it was so much better. And I sent it
yeah.
off, and the guy came back to me and was like, "Perfect, no changes
Great.
needed." And it was an amazing feeling because
Mm.
although every day you don't feel like you're improving that much, actually cumulatively you're improving a lot.
It's a really precise business, investment banking. I mean, they are
Yeah.
people, I mean, it gets a lot of heat, but actually the reality is the quality. I think if you've done an investment banking internship, you kind of get exposed to a level of work quality that actually just isn't there in most
Yeah.
businesses. I mean, it's kind of
Yeah.
shocking because of the
No,
level
I'd
of
agree. I'd agree.
OCD you need to have to actually do it. But it's a very, very good experience to have had.
Yeah, no, definitely, definitely. And all of my work now looks so much nicer.
Mm,
Like if I make a table, I put the margins in each side
yeah.
by 0.15 and it instantly looks nicer. So, so it's nice
So what
for
would you, so
sure.
just coming back to preparation, so presumably what kind of software products would you make sure that you're comfortable using?